When humans create, we are connecting intrinsically to nature, our human nature, the nature of the self, the spirit, and the soul. Creativity pulls us to the purest form of our being, uniting one with the inner child, the uncensored self. Nature mobilises magic, forming the spiralling journey inwards, the voyage to the spirit. A connection is born in an interior realm, a realm more enlightened, more spiritual. The innermost core of swirling energy is the hole in the void where these currents converge. Flowers sing of planets and stars. I believe the flowers are intoning the ritual circulation of our old magnetic earth. Each upward colour greets me, each flower form from its secret underground grasp and hearing is a glowing above the endless symposium of foliage and stone, in the slow undertow of soil and rock. I think sometimes I hear the moon fluting through the trees, a reflective roundness, causing multitudes of foot roots to breathe more freely as she moves the solid ocean of earth into subtle motion. And also Venus, flimmering suddenly into the loneliness of seeds and of all good things that dream deeply alone in the rhythms of earth and dark, into the perfect voices of old flowerheads that stooped to hear new music in the guts of the rocks, and all the planets of the upper air and the far stars which suck at my feet condense in their ritual magnetic chanting the purpose of the earth. And as the fresh little flowers fling up their rhapsodic acts of loveliness, I know too I am a flower of the earth, and in my own blossoming release from the earth's huge good dark her songs. This poem was written by Nancy Mellon. The white is the translucent spirit, pearlescent in the light. Burnt umber earth cements the ashes, confined spirits of ancestors held in its grasp. The spirit lies omnipotent in the breath of wind. Its breeze caresses the stretch between the other world and ours. Portals to the other realm can be found in the aura of Cornish megaliths, embedded in the sacred geometry of standing stone location. The Menentol bleeds its fertility charm into those who seek solace in its ancient ritual. Its healing powers feed through stone roots, ignited by energetic land. The sunset birth begins for the seeker, convoluting the body through currents as she passes through nature's womb, and the metamorphosis begins.